How to add a link in Adobe Acrobat. First, go to acrobat.adobe.com in your browser. Log into your Adobe account. Click All Tools from the top menu. Click Edit PDF and select a file. Upload the PDF where you want to add the link. Before we begin, a quick heads up. The linking feature is only available in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you are using the free version, this option won't be accessible. But don't worry, I will show you what you can do with the free version. In Adobe Acrobat Pro, you will find the Edit PDF tool. Once the PDF is open, click on Link from the toolbar. Drag your cursor to select the area where you want the link to appear. You can enter a URL or link to another page within the document. Adjust the link's appearance. You can change its color, underline it, or make it invisible for a cleaner look. If you have the free version of Acrobat, you can still add links in a text box or image manually. While you won't be able to create clickable links, you can insert text that indicates a link. For example, visit website and provide the URL in the comments or text box. Users can copy the URL directly from the PDF. And that's how you add links in Adobe Acrobat with Pro or some simple workarounds for the free version. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.